Welcome back to N. Rajani Kiran, my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the smart card. A smart card is similar to a credit and debit card in appearance, but it has a small built-in microprocessor chip and memory, which is used for identification or financial transactions. A plastic card containing a computer chip enables the holder to purchase goods and services. Not only just purchasing, it allows or it is used to enter into a restricted area, and it is used to access a medical, financial, or other records, and also allows to perform other operations that require data stored on the chip. A smart card is more secure when compared to a card which is using a magnetic strip, or we can say it is more secure than a magnetic strip card. If you enter an incorrect password too many times, the card will be disabled temporarily. And this small plastic card embedded with computing center offers a much higher level of security and possibility of digital data storage. Using this technology in credit card and debit card enabled to store the holder's PIN as well as recent transactions. So to use a smart card, either to pull the information from it or to add the data to it, you need a smart card reader, a small device into which you insert the smart card. When inserted into a reader or brought in close contact with a reader, it transfers data to a central computer and receives responses. Moving to the advantage of the smart card, as we said, it is much more safe and secure, and it provides a safety and comfort in finance related activities. Not only just storing, it also provides a comfort in financial related activities. And of course, it is convenient to carry and easy to use. And coming to the fourth advantage, it securely stores personal information, credit and buying information that can be accessed. And fifth advantage is it has inbuilt security, like each card has a unique serial number of its own and is capable of performing encryption transaction. That means an encryption transaction is going to have a higher level of security. And coming to the sixth advantage, it can communicate with computing devices through a smart card reader. And seventh one, the information and the applications on a card can be updated without having to issue a new card. Coming to the types of smart card. So we have categorized the types of smart card based on the material used to develop the smart card. The first type is magnetic strip card. As the name itself specifies that we are going to use a magnetic tape material, and hence the name called magnetic strip card. So in this card there will be a strip which is made of a magnetic tape material attached to its surface, and this is the standard technology used for bank cards and can only store data which cannot be updated. Coming to the second type, optical cards. So the optical cards use some form of a laser to read and write to the card. Third one is memory cards. The memory cards can store a variety of data including financial, personal and specialized information, but cannot process the information. So these memory cards are just meant only to store the data. Coming to the fourth type, that is microprocessor cards. So the smart cards with microprocessors look like a standard plastic cards but are equipped with an embedded integrated circuit, IC chip, where we call it as an IC chip, and card OS. So this card not only stores the information but also carry out a local processing on the data stored and perform complex calculations. These cards take the form of either contact cards, which requires a card reader, or contactless cards, which use radio frequency signals to operate. Unlike a passive cards like memory cards or magnetic strip cards that just can only store the information, the microprocessor smart card is active and able to process the data in reaction to a given situation. This capability to record and modify information in its own non volatile, physically protected memory makes the smart card a more powerful and practical tool. The smart cards are small and portable. They can interact with a computer and other automated system, and the data they carry can be updated instantaneously. So these are the different types of smart cards. Among these four, the most powerful and very practically used tool is nothing but the microprocessor card. That means a smart card with microprocessor is the most popular card that is used and more advantageous also. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you are clear about the smart card.